Do we have to make it bigger?
Make it bigger? Okay.
Hey.
Oh. Okay, so let's talk again. No fingers on your Chromebooks. You're not staring at your Chromebooks.
So close.
What?
You man.
My notes goes out.
Hey, Brianna. It's a big. Okay, so we're gonna talk about these. Oh. Negative.
Do you want us to write this down?
No, don't worry about writing it down.
Jeez, Jason. Can that be big?
No. That's 4. Okay, so on these, let's look at these. So these aren't the same sign anymore. These are going to be different signs. So what's negative 9 plus 13? Michaela, what'd you say? 4, good. Reed, what's negative 10 plus 20?
10.
Yep. What is 14 minus 17? Lena?
No.
Negative 3, good. Right. What happens right here?
This
Addition.
Okay, we're going to change it to addition, right? Okay, now are they the same anymore? Good, 2.
Thank you.
And those, once we change it,
Addition. Yeah. Just 6.
what kind of 6? Negative 6. Okay.
You're supposed to be writing this.
No, you don't have to be writing it down, okay? Okay, so are these two different?
Yes.
Well, we subtracted, right?
Yep.
Are these two different? We subtracted,
Yeah.
different,
Yeah.
subtracted. Okay, how did we know that this was a positive 4, not a negative 4? Nathan?
Because the 13 is positive and it's larger than the
13 is positive and it's larger than the 9, right?
Yeah.
How do we know this is positive? Michaela?
The 20 is positive and larger than the 10.
Good. 20 is positive, it's larger than the 10. How do we know this is negative? Kayla's on it today. Anybody else? How did we know this was negative?
Because
I've already
negative 17 is bigger than 14.
Good. Negative 17 has a greater absolute value than 14. So same thing. 17 is greater than 14. 17 is negative. Why is this a positive? What's bigger? Brianna, the 5, so it's positive. What's bigger? 14. It's negative. That's why it's negative. Okay? So here's what our notes are going to be. We'll write these in our notes. Okay, different signs. This goes in your notes. Should be writing different signs. And if it was different signs, we subtracted, right?
You just go for the bigger number.
Subtract. And let's say take the sign of the larger number or the bigger number. Does that make sense? In your books, it'll say take the sign of the one with the greater absolute value. Okay, we'll make it simpler than that.
It's just gibberish.
Take the sign of the larger number. Are we good with that definition? Okay. No. Take the sign of the larger number. Then let's put our examples in there. Negative 9 plus 13. Subtract. 13's bigger, it's positive. Negative 10 plus 20. We said equal to positive 10. 14 minus 17. Negative 3. Okay, this one, negative 3 minus negative 5. Let's make it a negative 3 plus 5 because we're going to change it and it's positive 2. And then negative 14 minus negative 8 is actually negative 14 plus 8, which equals a negative 6. Please make sure all those examples get in there. Because if it's not, it went right to playback.
Boy, sound is on.
Why do you think that?
Because I turned it off.
Why?
Because it was playing the other video.
JC.
All you have to do is